Victor here, back for another video. Recently I've been buying a lot of clothes in the past few months, and I kind of wanted to make like a pickups video. So this is what that is, and yeah, I'm gonna go right into it. So the first thing is a crew neck, because in New York it's getting like really cold. I hate that shit. Like I hate winter so much. Like it's like, for me it's like the worst. And like especially how like fall, we didn't even experience fall, and I like fall and like spring, and it just ruined it for me. But anyways, I got this crew neck, and basically it's this. Hold up. I think it's freaking beautiful. I love this crew neck so much. It's by a brand called Juun J. It's run by a designer named Juun J, basically, and it's like a collab crew neck with two artists. It's Alex and Felix. They both like did this art from the shirt, and then Juun J just like he put it on the shirt, and I think it's really fire. I like it a lot. Like it's like an alien. I thought it was like a baby at first, but like it's actually an alien. And then it has like a lot of details. Like in the back it has this, and then on the sleeve, like towards the cuff, it has this, like a planet. I think that's so fire. This is like my favorite crew neck so far. And then it says Juun J here. It's calm. I like this a lot. It's like really thick. It's like an oversized sort of fit on like the body and the sleeves, but like on the length it's like short, and I like that a lot because I like shirts that fit around my belt area. So that's that. I like that a lot. It's really warm. Next is by Staats Ballet. Now playing Staats Ballet. Bro, I love this brand so much. Shout out Avery if you're watching this. So yeah, this is the balloon tee. So basically it's like all black. However, it's like it has a nice black fade to it. I don't know if you can see it. It's like not completely black, but it's like faded. And then the best part, I think, yeah, kind of one of the best parts is this, the sleeve. It's like really freaking long, and like it's really baggy at the end, and I love that. And then this cuff like does the perfect thing. It kind of looks like, if you've seen like a Little Woman, like you know how they wear their shirts and it's like really baggy at the end. I'll show a picture on the screen. It looks like that, and I like that a lot. It's something different that like you never would ever see in like a store. It's like the shape, everything, like I love it. The color, the black, everything is like perfect. You wouldn't really see it like anywhere else. That's why I really like this. And yeah, it's not much to say about it, but it's like really good. I really love it. You guys should definitely check out Staats Ballet. It's like a really great brand. And then this is my grail, bro. Oh my god, I love this so much. Alright, this is from Hysteric Glamour. It's a Japanese brand. Alright, so these are pants, but look at them, Oh my god. Dude, these are fucking nice. It's fucking insane. So yeah, it's like patchwork kind of, but like if you can see, like it has like, it's cut in sewn panels, like a light denim, a dark denim here. The pockets are in the front instead of here. Fucking love that. And then in the back it says kinky, and then it looks like the Levi's logo, but it's not. And then it says Hysteric on the tag. This brand is freaking lit. It's definitely one of my favorite Japanese brands ever. No, like I love this brand so much. And like it's a size 30ish, and then it has like little like white fringes up right here. It's beautiful. Everything cut and sewn. I tried to make this myself with like a black and red pair of jeans, but it didn't come out good. So I was kind of sad. So I definitely wanted to buy this. Like it's really hard to replicate this. Also, it's called the
Today, Junior.
The Haji denim. That's what it's called. It's from the collection. It's kind of inspired by like punk. I know this isn't like a real grail. Like some people would be like, this is like a regular pair of jeans. Not regular, but like it's not like $1,000 sort of. But I just like it a lot because I really love this pair. I always wanted it. They also made a black one, and that one is, I think that's more of a grail than this one for me. But this is definitely like, I really like this. I'm trying to get both. If I get both, like I'm set for life. I'm ready to die. Alright, next one is another pair of pants. This is like a DIY, something I did. And then yeah, so I bought a light wash pair of jeans, Levi's, and what I did is I did like a custom on it. So what I did, I distressed it, sewn a patch, all white patches on it, and what I did on the patches, I sewed like multicolored. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's basically like purple and blue and yellow. Those are like the main colors that I put on it. Also on the back, and what I did, I added a flare here. And these are yarn. I sewed it by hand. I did it like everywhere, added a little details on all over the pants. I love these pants so much. It has like a flare on it. It's super beautiful. Just like the other Hysteric Glamours, I really like those a lot. I'm really happy I made those. Alright, so this one is by ROA. I never ever owned a pair of boots before in my life, and this is my first one right here. Look at this. Fucking beautiful, bro. I always wanted a pair of ROAs, but I was like kind of scared like it wouldn't look that good on me. But I was just like, fuck it, I'm gonna do it. And it's this color. It's like yellow and like pinkish / purple. It's beautiful. I really love like the construction of it, like how it's like so slim here, but then when you reach to the bottom it's so bulky. I love that. And yeah, it's not much to say about that because they're just shoes. But anyways, that's everything. Thank you for watching. I know I didn't buy probably a lot of stuff, but if you like what I bought, or if you guys bought something, comment down below. Thank you for watching. It means a lot, and peace out, you guys.